You're standing in the kitchen appliance aisle, or stuck on Amazon at midnight. Two names keep showing up: Ninja, Instant Vortex. Both look good. Both have thousands of reviews. Both claim to make crispy, fast, healthy food. So which one do you actually buy? Today we run a full head-to-head test across design, performance, capacity, noise, and value. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which air fryer belongs in your kitchen and which one to skip. Here's the problem most buyers run into. They pick the wrong air fryer based on looks or price alone. Then they discover the basket is too small for a family meal. The temperature runs uneven. The presets are useless. Returns are a hassle. You're stuck with a $100 appliance you hate using. This happens constantly in the air fryer category. Both Ninja and Instant Vortex have loyal fans and frustrated customers. The difference almost always comes down to what the buyer needed and simply didn't check before purchasing. That's exactly why we built AirFryerGuidance. We do actual hands-on testing. We cook real food. We measure temperatures, track cook times, and note every detail, from noise levels to cleanup time. In this video, we cover 4 key categories: design and build quality, cooking performance, capacity and ease of use, and price versus real-world value. We tested the Ninja AF101 and the Instant Vortex Plus 6 quart, 2 of the most popular models available right now. Everything you need to make a confident decision is in this video. Let's get into it. First up, design and build quality. The Ninja AF101 is compact and matte black. It fits easily on a small countertop without dominating your workspace. The drawer-style basket locks firmly and feels premium for its $80 100 price point. The Instant Vortex Plus has a slightly larger footprint and a transparent cooking window, a feature many users genuinely love. You can watch your food crisp up in real time. Both units feature non-stick baskets. However, Ninja's basket coating holds up noticeably better after repeated dishwasher cycles. For small kitchens, Ninja wins on space efficiency. For visibility and bold styling, Instant Vortex takes the edge. Cooking performance is where things get really interesting. We tested frozen fries, chicken wings, and salmon fillets in both units. The Ninja AF101 reached 400 degrees Fahrenheit in about 3 minutes. Food cooked evenly across the basket without requiring much intervention. Chicken wings came out crispy in 18 minutes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. The Instant Vortex Plus uses even crisp technology with a top-down heating element. It produced slightly crispier outer textures on fries. However, it required occasional shaking for consistent browning throughout. Both units perform well in daily use. Ninja is more consistent across food types. Instant Vortex peaks higher on surface crispiness. Your cooking priority determines the winner here. Capacity and ease of use matter more than most buyers expect before purchasing. The Ninja AF101 holds 4 quarts, fine for 2-3 people, but a full family dinner will require 2 batches. The Instant Vortex Plus at 6 quarts fits significantly more, roughly a full pound of wings in a single cook. If you're regularly cooking for 4 or more, the Vortex wins this category easily. On controls, Ninja uses simple dial knobs that are intuitive for all ages. The Instant Vortex uses a digital touchscreen with presets including roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat. More functions, but a slightly steeper learning curve for new users. Now let's talk price and real-world value. The Ninja AF101 typically retails between $80 $100. For that price, you get rock-solid reliability, compact size, and proven long-term durability. Ninja also offers the Foodi 6-in-1 at around $130, adding pressure cooking and steam functions for more versatile meals. The Instant Vortex Plus 6 quart sits at $90 $120. You get more capacity, more presets, and a larger cooking window. The Instant Vortex 4-in-1 comes in cheaper at around $60 $70 for budget-conscious shoppers. Bottom line, Ninja delivers stronger value for singles and couples. Instant Vortex delivers better value for families who need volume, versatility, and room to grow. At Air Fryer Guidance, we don't take shortcuts. Every review involves real cooking tests, side-by-side comparisons, and honest category-by-category scoring. We are not sponsored by Ninja or Instant Pot. Our only job is to give you accurate, unbiased information so you make the best decision for your kitchen. Our full written comparison, including a detailed scoring table, a recommendation by household size, and links to current prices, is live at airfryerguidance.com. Thousands of home cooks rely on our guides every single month. We take that responsibility seriously and will never compromise it for a sponsorship deal. Here's the final verdict. Choose the Ninja AF101 if you want compact size, simple controls, proven durability, and great value under $100. Choose the Instant Vortex. Plus, if you cook for a family, need more capacity, or want digital presets and versatility in one machine. Both are strong air fryers, but only one is right for your kitchen. Get our full decision guide with scoring breakdown and current pricing at airfryerguidance.com. Drop your question in the comments below and we'll help you decide. Subscribe for weekly kitchen appliance guides you can actually trust.